Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn comparison operators in JavaScript. So what are the comparison operators? Why we require to use these comparison operators in programming language? So here, many times we need to compare the data to another data. Then only we will make the decisions if the data is coming in a proper way or not. Then only we'll understand in dynamic way. See some example few of the applications are only eligible for female, or few of the applications may be eligible for only male. In such a criteria, we may put whether it is a male or female application. We need to test in our application in coding. So how it is possible? Using these comparison operators, highly it is important and easy to compare the things. And strongly remember, while comparing the things, sometimes you may compare with the data, sometimes you need to compare with the data type as well. These both are different. Data which is matching and data type may be different. So most of the examples like equal to operator, type comparison, less than, greater than, not equal to, these are the components we'll try to apply one by one over here. Let's start here the session with a simple equal to comparison. Okay, I'm taking a equal to 10. Let's continue with the same example. So here I may put here my simple functionality with the comparing with the a equal to 10. A equal to 10. What happens now? Let's check it. So run this. True. See, the variable value which is going to be equal to 10, here it is an assigned value. If I am changing 10 to somewhere around 9, save it, reload, false. So the expression is making, while comparing with the value with the variable, it is throwing true or false Boolean expression I am requesting from the particular JavaScript program. So here the comparison is making. Now let's see, very simple, very simple. What I will try to do, a equal to 10 while we have seen the true, correct? Let's check, true. So if I am putting a equal to 3 equals, yes, it is true. Why? It's specifically it is a data type also, it will be verifies this operator. Okay, these operators will check with the data as well as its type. What is the data type it is? So let's see, if I am putting surrounding some single or double quotes, now let's run. Before we have gone the result, it's not true. Now save it and reload. Now it is false. Why? Its type is not matching. Here it is in a string. We are comparing with the number 10. So it is false. So if I put here also in a string variable, save it, run it, again we will get true. Why? Because string to string is matching. So particularly this is also very highly essential, important in real-time program. So strongly remember, whenever you deal with the data with the numbers you are comparing, and either string or its data type also you may be check yourself. Alright, now not equal to, not symbol, exclamatory mark will be treated here, and not equal to 10. It is a equal to 10, and here we are comparing with the not equal to. Let's see what the result will come, false. If I changing the number something else as user input, reload, it's true, which is not matching, this value is not matching to here. So we are getting the Boolean expression of true. Okay, so very easy. These all operators you may apply very easily in your program. Okay, so let's see. I may put here called less than. You may directly write the less than, a less than 10. Is it true or not? Reload. Yes, it is true. If it is greater than, what it would be? It would be false. That's it. A value is bigger, this value is smaller. If it is a less than means left side part is lower and right side part is bigger. So we are getting true false accordingly. So with this, without using space, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to also, you may apply the conditions. Alright, you may apply the conditions. So if I put 10, now it is become true. It's become true. Maybe less than or greater than. 10 means yes. Equal to, whenever we are applying greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, the comparing with the two things, one variable value with the one static value. We are comparing these two things. Alright. In this way, you can prepare your comparison operators very greatly in your program. Next lecture will catch you with logical operators. Thank you.